we're diving into the fascinating world of magnets. From navigation to keeping our food fresh, magnets are all around us. Let's explore their applications, types, and some cool experiments. Let's get started. First up, let's look at some amazing applications of magnets in our daily lives. Did you know that compasses use magnets to help us find our way? The needle is a small magnet that aligns itself with the Earth's magnetic field, pointing north. We all have them on our fridges, right? These little guys are not just for holding up notes. They come in various shapes and sizes and can even be customized. In the medical field, magnets play a crucial role in MRI machines. They create strong magnetic fields that help produce detailed images of the inside of our bodies, making diagnosis much easier. Now, let's explore the different types of magnets based on their shapes. Simple yet effective, bar magnets are often used in schools for experiments. U-shaped magnets are great for creating stronger magnetic fields and are commonly used in scientific experiments. Block magnets are powerful and versatile, often found in toys and tools. Ring magnets are used in everything from speakers to magnetic levitation devices. Now, let's get hands-on and demonstrate the theory of attraction and repulsion with a simple experiment using two magnets. I have two bar magnets here. The red-colored pole of the magnet is the South Pole and the blue-colored pole is the North Pole. Let's see what happens when I bring them close together. First, I'll bring the North Pole of one magnet close to the South Pole of the other. See how they attract each other? That's the force of attraction in action. Now, let's try bringing the North Pole of one magnet close to the North Pole of the other. Whoa, they push away from each other. That's the force of repulsion. So there you have it. Magnets are not only intriguing, but also incredibly useful in our everyday lives. Whether it's navigating with a compass, keeping our food fresh with fridge magnets, or aiding in medical diagnoses with MRIs, their applications are vast.